Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is 17K133A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. You have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels and they are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side, inside, leather interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe, and then you also have a soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.